Many people believe that America was discovered only by Christopher Columbus in 1492. But few know that just a few years later, the very first map appeared where this new continent was actually drawn. In 1507, a German cartographer named Martin Waldseemüller created a map of the world that was revolutionary for its time. For the first time, it showed the outlines of both South and North America. Why was this so important? Because most Europeans still believed Columbus had reached islands off the coast of Asia. But Waldseemüller dared to suggest that this was not Asia at all, but a completely separate continent. The name America also comes from this map. Waldseemüller named the land after Amerigo Vespucci, the Florentine explorer who sailed along the coast of South America, and was the first to argue that these lands were not Asia, but something entirely new. The map was printed in only 1,000 copies. For centuries it was believed lost, until in 1901, a single surviving copy was found in a monastery library in Germany. Today it is kept in the Library of Congress in Washington and is considered a true treasure of world history. With this map began the recognition of America as a new continent. Still, in 1507, Waldseemüller's work was not instantly famous. Most copies stayed in the hands of collectors and scholars. Only years later, when other mapmakers began copying it, the name America slowly spread and became accepted everywhere. On his map, Waldseemüller also drew the coasts of South America and part of the Caribbean, based on the voyages of Vespucci and other explorers. Many details were not accurate, but for the early 16th century it was incredibly advanced. Waldseemüller was not just a cartographer, he was a visionary. He predicted that ocean voyages would open new trade routes, change Europe's economy, and reshape politics. His map inspired explorers from Spain and Portugal to push further into the Atlantic, to Africa, and to South America. The rediscovery of his original 1507 edition in 1901 was a breakthrough for historians. It revealed not only the geography of the time, but also the printing techniques, the use of parchment and ink, and how cartographers gathered reports from sailors. Today this map is considered a symbol of modern geography. It shows how one man, Waldseemüller, united the knowledge of many explorers and captured it on paper, changing humanity's understanding of the world forever. From Columbus and his ships, through Waldseemüller's map, to globes and navigation tools, this is the chain of events that reshaped how we see the Earth.